Friends, in the previous lecture, we talk about the ionic strength and we seen the example of the type 1 electrolyte. Today we have to talk about the type 2 electrolyte. For this purpose, ionic strength is nothing but the half summation MiZi square. Okay, by using this formula, we can calculate the ionic strength of the different electrolyte. For the type 1, where the Z plus Z minus is equal to 1 and Z plus Z minus is equal to 2, we have seen. Now here we are going to talk about the type 2 electrolyte. See, in the electrolyte with the Z plus 2 and Z minus is equal to 1 or vice versa, example is BaCl2 MgCl2 or Na2SO4 K2CrO4, like this. Out of that we can talk about the BaCl2. When we talk about the BaCl2, first of all we have to write the dissociation reaction of the BaCl2. When you write the dissociation reaction of the BaCl2, you know the Ba2 plus 2 Cl minus will be there. Means here Z plus is equal to 2 and Z minus is equal to 1. Right? Therefore, you can calculate the ionic strength of this particular salt BaCl2 as mu BaCl2 is equal to half MBr MiZi square. Out of that you have to take M, that is a first of all we have to take that molality is a M, and for the Cl minus here you can see the 2 is there, that's why M into 2 will be there, that is a 2M. Okay, that means that molality of this salt will be the that particular chloride ion will be the 2M. Then we can take here, instead of this MCl minus we can take the 2M, and the charge of this particular Cl minus will be the 1 and the charge on the barium will be the plus 2. Here you can MiZi square, here M Ba2 plus, here charge of the on the barium is the 2, that's why the M square. Okay, M will be the charge will be the 2. See here, you have to substitute very well. MiZi square formula you have to remember. Z is the charge, means 2 square will be the 4 into M, that will be the 4M, plus here M is only M, 2M is there. Okay, and Z and on the Z you can take the charge is the 1, that is a only 2M will be there. Okay, 4M plus 2M, here the make the correction, 3M instead of 3M, here it should be the 2M, that will be the 6M divided by 2, that will be the 3M. Means that ionic strength of this particular salt is the 3M. You can calculate for the Na2SO4 also. When you take the Na2SO4, here twice Na plus SO4 2 minus, means Z plus is 1 and Z minus is equal to 2. Okay, when you take this particular thing, mu Na2SO4 is equal to half MiZi square. Okay, here you have to take Na plus and SO4 2 minus. When you put all these values here, you will get here, see, for the area Na, M is the 2M because 2 Na plus is there. Okay, and you can do accordingly, you will get this particular 2M plus 1 square, then M, only M, into 2 square, that will gives you 2M plus 4M, that is the 6M divided by the half, that will gives you the 3M. Here this is the ionic strength for the type 2 electrolyte. Okay, please go through this well. If you are not getting, you can ask. Here we will stop. Thank you.